Hey, welcome. I'm sitting in a little strip in downtown Austin, some shops and stuff. This is kind of a spot that I like to come to charge my phone. These little outlets, little hobo tip, is to find all the working convenient outlets in your city, especially now with COVID, because a lot of businesses are not up and running. Like, I used to just go to a Starbucks or something and sit in there and charge my phone, but now there pretty much no dine-in, and like libraries are closed and stuff, so I've got to find, I don't know, more spots like this, just kind of outside to charge my stuff. But anyways, in this video I wanted to share how I'm sustaining myself financially. So right now I'm living in Austin, kind of just camping out, hobo life. And I think I came here with maybe around $1,500 like saved up when I left. And I left from Dallas to come to Austin. So I had a little bit of money, and then I was able to get on like COVID unemployment for like a month. But so I only got like 2 paychecks from the government, and then that ended because I didn't technically quit or get fired from my job. I quit my last job, so they stopped giving me benefits. But I was able to get about $1,500 from that month. And right now, I just bought a bike like a week ago, and I've been doing delivery services, like Uber Eats and Postmates. The one I've been doing here in Austin is called Favor. It's like a Texas only kind of delivery service. So I've just been doing deliveries on my bike this week. And so now that's how I'm pretty much making my money. And so I just started that, and I've been doing it a lot. I think I started this week, and I made like around, I think, $500 this week in 1 week. But I've also been just like doing a ton of deliveries because my savings were kind of dwindling, and I just didn't want to like spend any more money without having some source of income. So yeah, I just kind of picked this gig up, and I've been spending a ton of money on food. Like I feel embarrassed about how much I've been spending on food. Probably averaging like at least $40 a day buying and eating food. So I'm really striving to eat cleaner and eat less. But anyways, I also wanted to talk about how like you could support me financially, and we could support each other in some healing work. Because yeah, although like doing deliveries on my bike is kind of cool and fun, and I can just do it whenever I want, I think like if it's possible, I'd love to do more things that are like, I don't know, more helpful maybe for people, more enjoyable for myself, and like less effort. So I just wanted to share some things that I can offer, and kind of give you a way to support me while I'm kind of out here just like camping and living life and making these videos and kind of promoting freedom and alternative lifestyle. So right now I just want to offer 2 services. The first service that I want to offer is called circling, and if you haven't heard me talk about that, you don't know what it is, I have videos on what circling is. I also have a few videos where I'm like in real time circling other people for about an hour, so you can really get a sense of what it's like to be circled. And so I'm going to offer that, like a 1-hour circling session for only $25, which is extremely reasonable for a circling session. And then the other thing that I want to offer is an emotion code session, which is just a very rapid like emotional release technique for, yeah, just releasing all the emotions that are up for you, getting to like deeper subconscious emotions that are ready to be released for you, sometimes going into like past life things that have carried on, past life emotions and ancestral emotions that have been passed down, you know, from your lineage. So that's a really great technique and has benefited me and so many other people so much. So I want to offer emotion code sessions also for $25, which is also extremely reasonable for that service. And if you want to support me by buying like a package thing, then you can get 10 sessions. You can kind of mix and match or do whatever sessions you want. So 10 sessions for $200, and that'll save you $50. And you know, those sessions will never expire. You can use them for either sessions, and maybe more services if I come out with any more. And so you'll have 10 sessions for whatever service you want for life, or you know, they won't expire until you use them. And I'm kind of doing this just because I want to yeah, have financial support, and I think that's how I want people to look at it, is like, you're kind of supporting me in my lifestyle, and I also want to give back and offer something in return for that. And if you want to just support me financially or any other way, send me gifts or something, you can do that or ask about that, and I'll just leave links to like my PayPal and Venmo and I don't know, Cash App, whatever you want to use. I'll leave a link down there. And if you just don't even care about like having these healing sessions and you just want to send me money or something, then you can do that too. But yeah, you can send the money to any of those sort of platforms for exchanging money, and then you can like leave a message for what session you want, or if you want a package, those package 10 sessions, or if you don't care about the sessions, then just say like, here you go, enjoy your life or something. And I'll also leave my email address so you can email me if you need to talk, or so that way we can sort of set up sessions like that. We can set up a time and just communicate whatever we need to communicate that way. And then you can also find me on Facebook under Hyatt Gonser and message me, and on Instagram at Hyatt Gonser, and we can just kind of plan and get everything set up that way. So thank you guys, thank you all for following me, thank you all for supporting me, and yeah, I love you guys. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day.